Just by looking at number 1, you can see that it's going right to the top of the waveforms in this section here and in these 2 sections here. That will probably mean that that file will start clipping. Once these clips have been recorded onto your file, you cannot remove them. When it comes to this vocal, is someone standing further away or we haven't boosted the channel enough? The problem you have is if it's really quiet because the vocalist is standing too far away or the microphone is too far away from your bass amp or from your acoustic guitar or whatever else you might be using, you will get more background noise. So having your microphone closer to the source is better. Just aim to get your recording volume as close to -6 but not above it. And then a rule of thumb for you should be is that you record all your instrumentation down dry. No effects, no compression, no reverbs, nothing. Unless you might need to put a slight bit of compression on the vocals. But if you're going to do that, just do it so minimal that it just contains those peaks or spikes that someone might have in their vocal.